Guys, real quick, how to install your valve stem without the proper tools. Normally, just so you know, if you don't know, a valve stem has they have a little thing you thread this into, and it's like a little pry bar with a hinge on it, and you put it through the hole, you thread it in, and then you pry it against the rim and it pulls it in. So that's normally how it's done. Here's without the proper tools how you can do it. Alright, so if you need to take the tire off the bead, you can just use your truck. I mean, I'm not suggesting that this is the way you do it all the time. I mean, this might be an emergency circumstance. Drive over the bead. Just kind of go like this. Back and forth. Transmission's not maneuvered to go backwards. There it is. This thing's being a little bit difficult. Let's give it a shot with this here real quick. I think you kind of get the idea. Might have to go around it a few times to get the bead broken. If you have an aluminum wheel, you want to be a little extra precautionary or not do this. But anyway, break the bead by using your truck. I'll probably have to drive around this thing a few times to do it, so I'm not going to show that part right now. And while it's pushed down with your foot, you can push it down, pop your stem into place, and do what I'm going to do on this rim. What you do is you insert your stem, doing this with one hand. Usually I just hold my other hand on there, grab it below the threads, pull it in place. There you go. Choose pair pliers. That's how I do it. That's the backyard method to put in the stem. And that gets it all the way seated in there really good. And it's pretty easy to do, and you don't ruin your threads. And I've never ruined a stem yet. So anyway, some of you guys that want to comment negative stuff, it doesn't happen. Sorry. Talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.